Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My brothers and sisters in Islam, as you are all aware that during the month of Ramadan, many reminders are shared, videos, text messages, hadith, ayah, and so many reminders are being shared. This is all good. This is very good. Actually, what made us the best of nations is Allah Azza wa Jal says, كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر. What made us the best of nations is that we always enjoin the good and forbid the evil. We always remind each other, but make sure that you avoid one thing. Be very careful. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ ذُكِّرَ بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِ فَأَعْرَضَ عَنْهَا. Allah Azza wa Jal said, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ, meaning there is no one worse than a person who hears the ayah of Allah, who continuously hears the reminders and he turns away. So avoid this and make sure during the day and the night you are listening to something decent, something authentic. Limit what you are listening to something that you are going to benefit from and you have the ability to implement after that. The worst type of people Allah Azza wa Jal mentioned are those who listen to the ayah and turn away. Nothing changes him and he does not implement anything of it. So avoid this. Whatever you hear of good and of benefit, try to implement it straight away and teach it to others. There will be barakah in that. When you implement something new, then teach it. It becomes a barakah in that which you teach. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us the ability to always hear that which is good and implement that which is good. Allahu A'lam.